Good morning, children. Today for the 4th standard, I'm taking lesson number 14, traffic rules. Okay, so everybody knows what are the traffic rules. First and foremost, from y'all are very small, you'll all know the traffic lights. You know the 3 lights. You have red, green and yellow. So you know about that. Now what does it mean by traffic? Traffic means the movement of vehicles on the road. How the vehicles move on the road, that is called as the traffic, the moving vehicles on the road. And how you have to follow rules, you have to follow the signals if you have to avoid accidents. So in this lesson on traffic rules, you will know about the traffic signals, the rules and how to follow them. So I'll just read the lesson and explain according to that. Savita and Fatima, Neeraj, Mary and the teacher are standing on the footpath of a city road. A traffic policeman is controlling the movement of vehicles. So a traffic policeman, he controls the movement of the vehicles. Savita is asking, who is standing in the middle of the road? Why is he standing there? The teacher says, he is a traffic policeman. It is a place where 4 roads meet. There is a crossroad. It's a place where 4 roads meet. He controls the traffic, and which is his duty. He controls the traffic, which is his duty. After some time, another traffic policeman comes near them and the teacher introduces himself. So he says, children, see, this is Mr. So-and-so. He is a traffic policeman. He is going to tell us about the traffic signals and the signs that we have to follow. So many vehicles are moving. How shall we cross the road? So the teacher says, you see the you see the zebra crossing, children? What is a zebra crossing? There are white stripes in the middle of the road. It looks like the stripes on a zebra. It's called a zebra crossing. And pedestrians are people who walk on the road. They have to use the zebra crossing to cross the road. So in the meanwhile, Neeraj saw the signal light. Signal light, sir, the red light is on. All the vehicles are halting. Why? Then the traffic policeman says, the red light indicates the vehicles to stop. The yellow light indicates the vehicles to get ready. And the green light indicates the vehicles to move. So the traffic policeman is talking to the children about the traffic signal. So children, for your homework, you have to draw a traffic signal and color it in your classwork note. Okay, you have to draw and color a traffic signal in your classwork note. The red light is on. Vehicles are not moving. Shall we cross the road through the zebra crossing? Yes. We have another signal light for the pedestrians to cross the road. So children, near the traffic signal you might have seen a green color light showing a man walking. So once the main traffic signal shows the red light on, all the vehicles stop. And then the green pedestrian signal comes up, in which people can cross the zebra crossing on the road, and they can go to the other side of the road. The children felt happy knowing the traffic rules and went to school. The traffic lights are there in circles to avoid accidents between vehicles or between the vehicles and pedestrians, and for the safe movement of vehicles and people. So this is what I told you, children. Traffic signals are there, traffic rules are there, and how you have to obey them, that is what we are talking in this lesson. So we finished with the traffic signal that I have told you. Your homework is to draw a traffic signal and color it. Now the next one is the traffic. There are some other traffic signals that you see, marks that you see on different parts of the road. So like in your textbook on page number 133, you might have seen these marks, correct? You might have seen these signals on boards. So you have to identify which signals these are, correct? So when you see a railway track, you should understand that there's a railway track ahead. When you see a bed with a plus sign on the top, there's a hospital somewhere nearby. And when you see the horn, there's a cross mark on the horn, then you cannot horn in those places. This tells you there's a bump ahead. This gives you for your right turn. This is to go slowly, or you can even say, when you say you see a P and there's a cross over the P, you cannot park your vehicles there. And when you see a boy with a bag on his shoulder, that means you have to go slowly because there's a school nearby, or you cannot horn. So these are some symbols which you should basically know about. That's on your page number 133, children. Go through that. And then you have on page 135, you have some symbols which you have to identify. So on page number 133, just cross-check with that and identify the symbols. This is for your homework. Plus, you have to draw 6 traffic signals. You can draw any of these. If you know any more, you can draw even that. So just do these 2 homework in your classwork note. Take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am. Fine. So I'll give you the question answers for this later on. This, draw the traffic signal and color it. Draw 6 other traffic signals and write what they symbolize, and take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am on WhatsApp. Fine. Thank you.